let's talk about the Unbreakable landscape edging. This is edging product that I'm really loving this year, and part of it is it's got a great recycling story. Edging is made from 100% recycled polyethylene, and it's made to be sustainable through freezing cold weather to heat, and can take high impact. So it's a great edging to put between your driveway and your lawn. So you've got almost 20 feet of edging. It can be sawn to size, and it can be connected with just this little connection. So this is probably the most durable edging product that we offer. Again, it offers a crisp, nice crisp line between your garden or your lawn and your driveway or path.